Hi guys, Mango here today with another video, and today I have a jerk alert. Oh my god. Okay, and it is howler008. Right here, Chief Fast Fox. Saying, I'm faster now, it's mighty speedy cheetah. Right here. Yeah, he's, I tried to do another video, but I lost my connection on my computer. God, I can't, okay. howler008, right here. Right here, this cheetah right here. That Bailey this is actually music to me. Oh yeah, if Howler, if you're watching this, yeah, this is what I look like in real life. If you didn't know, howler008. And yeah, say hi to YouTube! Yes, ma'am? Say hi to YouTube, Howler. Yeah, I'm posting this. This is fun. I get dizzy now, just watching them go round and 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 round in circles.
Yeah, that's the one y'all hate. I thought it was a red box. Say hi to YouTube, howler008.
That's what I said. Yeah, Bailey's actually pretty mad at him.
I-L-L-S-M. No, nothing.
Oh, purple's just the devious size.
I hate you.
I may be running heels. I am running heels. Running heels. And he left.
Except for report him and block him until he gets banned. From AJ forever.
Yeah. Guys, if you're watching this, please report howler008 and block him until he gets banned from AJ forever.
You must like her still. Why do you come around if you broke up? Trying to find him. I'm looking. He's gone.
I can find him. He's at his dead. Oh, like, I can find him. He's at his dead. Just me and you. I just put just me and you. He's not dead yet. Well, what evil animal will you have? Look at me. I look evil and pretty.
I know. I'm gonna change metamorphosize.
I said just me and you.
Which one do you?
The one saying just me and you. Evil laugh. And me.
Except for when I do.
I know, I look cute but evil. All I have to do is change the eyes and I'll be cute again.
Stop.
Ah!
Do that again. He locked me out again. That was his biz. I hate you. That was his biz.
Yeah.
How many houses do y'all have? Hey, how many houses do y'all have?
Don't you face. I just kicked him in the face. So I guess me and him are buddies again. I can feel you happy fast. I want this to last. So there you have it, folks. We're back together, which that will probably last long. Our next fight, I will actually start recording again. So, howler, say hi to YouTube. Okay, so bye, guys. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Before Evil Mango comes to get you. Did I scare you? Probably not. But this will. Probably not. I'm not good at scaring people. So bye. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, which I've already said. Okay. Bye.